How to see devices that are connected with your Dropbox account. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is so simple and easy. Just go to Dropbox. As you can see, this is the home page. Now go to the top corner, click on those three lines here. After you click on them, now click on settings down here. After you click on settings, now it will take you to this page. Click on manage devices here, the third option right here. Now right here you will find the devices that are connected with your account, and you can remove them from here if you want. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.